Hey there! Just got a Nectar mattress and eager to dive into your new cozy sleep experience? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to open a Nectar mattress, ensuring you set it up flawlessly for that ultimate comfort. Step 1. Prepare the space. Before you begin, it's important to prepare the space where your mattress will go. Ensure there's enough room in your bedroom to unbox and roll out your mattress. Clear any obstacles and vacuum the area to provide a clean surface. A flat, sturdy foundation like a platform bed or a box spring is ideal for long-lasting support and comfort. Step 2. Unbox the mattress. Locate the box your Nectar mattress arrived in. It's surprisingly compact and tightly packed for easier shipping. Carefully cut open the top of the box with scissors or a box cutter, being cautious not to damage the mattress inside. Once the box is open, slide the compressed mattress out and place it on your prepared foundation. Step 3. Remove the packaging. Your Nectar mattress will be inside a protective plastic wrapping. Gently cut through this plastic with your cutter, taking care again not to nick the mattress fabric. Once the wrapping is removed, the mattress will start to expand almost immediately due to its special memory foam. Step 4. Allow the mattress to expand. After removing the packaging, allow your mattress some time to fully expand. This usually takes about 24 to 72 hours. During this period, you might notice a faint odor, often referred to as off-gassing. This is completely normal and will dissipate as the mattress airs out. To help with this process, you can open windows to increase ventilation. Step 5. Dress the bed. Once fully expanded, dress your mattress with your favorite sheets, pillows, and comforters. The Nectar mattress is designed to deliver cool, comforting sleeps, so you might want to choose breathable, high-quality bed linens to enhance the experience. Step 6. Enjoy your new mattress. Finally, it's time to dive into your new Nectar mattress and enjoy a great night's sleep. The memory foam will contour to your body, offering support and pressure relief. It may take a few nights to adjust to the new feel, but soon you'll be experiencing the restful nights you've been dreaming of. Opening your Nectar mattress is as simple as preparing your space, unboxing, removing the packaging, and letting it expand. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're setting it up correctly for the most comfortable experience possible. Thanks for following along on how to open a Nectar mattress. Here's to endless nights of restorative sleep and refreshed mornings.